Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a super cute trinket dish with air dry clay. Now you just keep pinching until you get it the size that you want. Also, you'll be able to feel while you're pinching lumps, like if there's a spot that's thicker than another spot. Then you just want to kind of even that out. I like to keep a little container of water so I can dip my fingers in it. Add water to your clay when it's needed because air dry clay does seem to dry out quicker than regular clay. And just rub it on there, it makes it smooth. I use my heat gun just a little bit so that so it kind of firms up a little bit on the outside. I call it the outer crusts of the clay. And that way I can pick it up and it's not going to smush on me. It makes it a little bit easier for the next step. Now, if you have a dish, kind of like the trinket one you're making now, you can use that. You can use a mug bottom or whatever you have that's rounded or whatever shape you want your dish to turn out looking like. I'm using this cup because I love the shape of the mug. I'm drying it a little bit more here so it has what I call the outer crust on it. Easier to take off the mug. Now you wait for a whole day, and then it should be pretty much dry by then. Then you can start sanding the edges down to get all that roughness off and any little cracks that you may be able to sand down. For the paint, I like to use jelly gouache. My jelly gouache is actually dried out now, so now it's just dry. I think I can re-wet it just by adding water and it would gel back up. But anyway, I just add water to my brush and do it that way. But jelly gouache, it's my favorite. I think I'm going to paint a little bluebird right here. I love bluebirds. I'm going to give it some little stick legs. A cute little tail. One big eye. And every little bird needs to spread its wings and fly, right? Just a few little touch-ups. This pretty little pastel pink is going to look really cute around the rim, but you can use any color you want. I think maybe I'll put some really pretty little leaves around it. That'd be cute. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art related content. Until next time, see you later.